The 2003 Acura CL. Acura made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine. Acura prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, remote keyless entry, and power seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Acura also prioritized safety and security by including a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.